cabbage, onion, garlic, and there were a bunch of spices that everyone could put out. But since we were home, I just put some purple basil flowers in this one, so I could see what it turned out like. So I was trying to create some contrast between like what everyone else had. But we'll see. We'll see. Activity.
Let's push that down again. Okay. So it's still active.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. It's still very active. It's going to be active for at least 3 weeks.
We process and see how y'all did, but since most of our crew is not here, we wanted to have you guys taste not only yours.
Miss Denise brought
hers. Oh, Miss Denise brought hers.
We could try hers. Come over.
All right, so let's break it down. We all went through the process last week of making our sauerkraut.
Oh, it look good.
It do look good.
It looks like your bag exploded.
Yeah, it does look like the salt water went in there.
When you were going like this, it's okay though.
What exploded?
It looked like the water came out of your bag, your waist.
Emptied into your thing like
It's neither. Because the water was made to a 2.5% salinity, just like the sauerkraut was. So all it did was add more water to her fermentation. It doesn't affect it negatively, really at all.
Tight.
Yeah, you had it close tight.
Let's get this class. Can you take this?
Here, I'll do it.
My hands are dirty.
We'll take this out.
Oh, it smells good. I'm
It does. And then we'll stir it. Oh, yours is very fermented, Miss
This is very active.
Denise. Look at how active that is. You see all the bubbles? That means that the lactobacillus is eating up all the sugars.
It's like just a fermented drink of some pineapple. It's a Mexican.
Natasha, which one did you think was better? Which one did you like better of the two? Because you've only tasted this one. The first one.
Yeah, the first one.
Yes, they have cumin in it. Which one you like? Which one you like better? The second one?
The second one.
The
Who
second
else?
one is a little sweeter.
Which ones did you all like better?
I like the first one. It was like more like the vinegar, yeah.
A little more sour.
What about you girls? What about you?
Either one, the second one.
So what would you say is the biggest difference? I'm sorry.
The second one too? And then older people, I noticed that too because I like the first one better too.
They got more punch. That's probably why. I don't like strong flavor so much.
The second one for me, I guess maybe was my bite. I got a really strong whatever herb they use on, I got a really so I like the second one a little better for that.
What about you, Olga? You like the first one? Oh, you didn't get the first one? Yeah, let's get some first. Yeah.
So
Okay.
now we're gonna try
Miss Denise's.
Excuse me.